Okay, everybody, happy Wednesday. We're halfway to the weekend, which is exciting. I'm excited for this weekend, some of the videos I'm going to try and put out. Thanks to everybody who has subscribed to my channel, who have liked the videos, who have watched the videos, commented on Facebook posts, texted, phone calls, everything. I do appreciate all of the feedback. I appreciate all of the support, and I will keep making these videos as long as I feel like at least one person is getting something out of it. One person other than myself, I guess. So with that being said, subscribe if you haven't already, please. Like the video. Let's get into it. I want to go over two things with this video. Number one is Venmo, and number two is kind of market cap and how that affects the amount of money you want to invest and what type of return you're looking for. So with Venmo, as you can see, they're going to allow their customers to buy cryptocurrency on their platform. That was kind of expected, as PayPal did the same thing at the end of last year in October, and they said they would roll it out on Venmo this year, and it's finally here. PayPal owns Venmo. So some of the pros with this is obviously the name, PayPal and Venmo. People trust that name. People trust that platform to send money on, right? They have a good support team. They have actually said they're going to put out some educational videos for their customers about cryptocurrency, which I think that's really cool to help educate people on what they're actually purchasing. Some of the cons real quick, limited supply. What I mean by that is limited selection. They only offer 4 coins, just like PayPal did. Those 4 coins are number 1, Bitcoin, which is like the original decentralized currency. Number 2 is Ethereum. Ethereum does a lot of smart contracts on their blockchain, very fast transactions. Number 3, Bitcoin Cash. That's just a fork of Bitcoin. Definitely has faster transaction times than the original Bitcoin does. Number 4, Litecoin. Litecoin's trying to get used as a payment method similar to what Bitcoin eventually became. Those are the 4 that you can, buy and sell. Like I said, 4 good coins, it's only 4 coins. Limited supply. The other knock that I really have, kind of covered that with Robinhood, you don't actually own the coin when you buy it off a platform like this. You can't send it to your own wallet. You can't send it to an exchange to sell, to buy a different cryptocurrency. It just sits on Venmo's platform. You buy it, you wait. If it goes up, goes down, you sell it. You take care of your taxes off of it. I'll definitely be covering taxes come tax time. You just don't really have a whole lot of versatility to do with your coins as you wish, but it definitely helps with the crypto world, get the exposure, brings in more customers, brings in more light. People definitely start looking more into it, which is phenomenal. Love the news. Right here on CoinGecko, obviously, Bitcoin, Ethereum, top 2, rounding out the top 10, Bitcoin Cash, Litecoin. Like I said, they picked good coins, stable, definitely name-worthy. Really cool for the industry. However, let's get into market cap of coins and what you want to do with your investment. Okay, with Venmo, they have said that they will allow you to put in as little as $1. Right there. With most exchanges, they have like a minimum transaction of $10. Not a huge difference between $10 and $1. With that being said, you don't have to have $55,000 to get into Bitcoin. You can put $100, $10, whatever into Bitcoin, right? So let's say you only have $100 to invest. I've been asked, how much do I need to start? Literally anything to start. Well, anything over $10, okay? So let's say $100 just for sake of a number, okay? To figure out the price of a coin, it's really simple to figure out. As long as you know the market cap of a coin and the supply of a coin. You take the market cap, you divide it by the supply, you get the price of the coin, okay? Bitcoin right now, $55,000, market cap of $1 trillion, max supply, you can see that there. Let's look at the yearly chart for Bitcoin. It's definitely had a good year. It's up 711%. That is, like I said, really good year. So if you put $100 into Bitcoin, to get $200, you would have to double this number. You'd have to double the market cap, which would be a $2 trillion market cap, and that would put the price of Bitcoin just over $100,000. That would double your investment of 100 up to 200. That is possible for sure. Definitely a lot of speculation. We're in the bull run, maybe a super cycle, who knows? Nobody does for sure. That could happen. This could double very easily. Take your 100 into 200. Not financial advice, just kind of giving you an example. And the example being, let's look at Cardano. It is the number 7 coin market cap overall. The price is $1.23. You can see the market cap there sitting almost at $40.5 billion and the circulating supply. So if you take that same $100, instead of putting it into Bitcoin, you put it into Cardano, you're going to end up with roughly 80 shares. And you're going to be able to take those 80 shares and kind of double your market cap to 80 billion to double your $100 investment up to 200. That seems to be a little bit easier to do, to add 40 billion versus adding 1 trillion to a coin's market cap. And you look at the yearly of Cardano, definitely outperformed Bitcoin. It's only worth $1.23 per share, but its return on the year, 711% on Bitcoin versus 3,609% on Cardano, with a much smaller market cap, right? And then go even farther down the list, and when I say even farther down the list, I'm talking about like the number 12 position. VeChain has been battling with Chainlink on market cap to kind of claim roughly 12, 13. As you can see, they're at number 12 right now. They've been going back and forth. The price of VeChain is 24 cents. That's very cheap. Your same $100 investment get you like 400 shares of VeChain. Look at your market cap real quick. All you have to do would get to be, a $32 billion market cap. That is definitely obtainable. That's right now Cardano's market cap is already sitting at 40 billion. So we wouldn't even have to get to 40 billion to double your $100 investment with something like VeChain. That's what I'm trying to point out. Look at the market cap. Divide the market cap by the circulating supply, you'll get price, and then you can kind of look at other coins, other market caps, and kind of see, is it possible to double? Is it possible to, see a coin hit $1? Is it possible for all these other things? Kind of help you more or less decide what you think would be possible. And then, like I said, let's look at the yearly chart for VeChain. It's outperformed both Bitcoin and Cardano. It's at 6,574% return on a year. I mean, those numbers are crazy, right? Unfortunately, do not expect these numbers between now and the end of the bull run, right? You can see right here, we have definitely seen phenomenal gains just in the last month or two, pretty much since January of this year. So don't expect the same pattern of a chart. I just kind of picked these coins based on market cap, not necessarily chart. Take a look at a coin's market cap, circulating supply, and that'll kind of help you decide, is this coin actually going to double? Could it triple? So on and so forth. So with that being said, we'll get to the weekend here in the next couple days. I've got some other videos coming out. Please like, subscribe, leave a comment, leave a thumbs up, or thumbs down if you didn't like it. And we'll go from there. Thank you very much.